Hi everybody! So we have a problem, and that problem is when we are eating on our Boy Scout events, we have to eat this stupid thing called slop. The reason why we call it slop is here's what it consists of. Nor chicken rice sides, which I don't know if you've ever had it, but it's like rice with powdered chicken, which is good in some instances, but what we combine it with is even more disgusting. We take the Nor rice sides, put them in too much water, we then add chunky vegetable soup, like Campbell's vegetable chunky soup, and then add chicken nuggets, but they're cold, and then we serve it on a King's Hawaiian roll.
And even if we put too much water, we still somehow burn it to the bottom because who knows how?
Who knows how? So we need a fix. We need a new meal, and of course Lindsay knows how to cook a lot better than Michael or I combined.
Than you, for sure. Yeah.
Okay, whatever. Lindsay knows how to cook well, and so we've asked her to come up with a new meal. She's going to come up with it, and we're going to try cooking it today. And there are 3 tests of this meal. It needs to be tasty, it needs to be cheap, and most importantly, it needs to be idiot-proof. So, Lindsay, take it away.
Let's get planning. What you're gonna need for this recipe, so we're making pasta and meat sauce, it's gonna need spaghetti. I'm going to make just one of these containers. You can make however you want. And you're going to need some tomato sauce, Italian sausage, pork, olive oil or butter, parsley flakes, minced onion, basil leaves, minced garlic, and oregano. And that's all of our ingredients. And then you're going to need a big pot of water. You're going to need a pan, preferably something that's relatively deep so you can make some sauce in it. You're going to need a cutting board and a knife, spatula or wooden spoon. You're going to need a pan opener. You're going to need some kind of stove, a lighter, and that should be everything you need for this recipe. The raw meat, salty like the ocean.
Okay, so I'm going to cut our Italian sausage up into cubes. I would recommend getting ground Italian sausage, but unfortunately we couldn't find that today, so we're just going to use some Italian sausage. I'm going to very carefully use the packaging and plastic. I'm just going to peel it back. Okay. Put on my sausages, put it on my cutting board. Now, how you hold the knife? With your fingers, wrap around, pinch the blade at the top. This will give you a good grip on the knife so you can cut easily. I'm just going to cut it into sections first. I'm going to cube it. Okay, so I'm done cubing our sausage, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask our fire manager.
I've been promoted. I actually have a job now. Where's the lighter?
To please light our stove.
It's on.
It's on.
It's on.
Congratulations. You now have a lit stove.
It's on.
Okay, I'm going to very carefully place this down. I'm just going to take some olive oil, like I said, you can use butter. And okay, now I'm going to spread it evenly, same knife, and I'm going to again carefully open my package of meat, peel it back, take our ground beef, our ground pork, and pop it in. Just pop it in like so because, you know, I'm going to take our spatula and just kind of break it apart. I'm going to add my sausage in. Okay, so
I'm going to season our meat with some salt. Salt first, and then grab our pepper. Smells great. Throw in some garlic. Michael is just gonna open up our canned tomato sauce.
At least I'm gonna try.
Basil, oregano, and then some parsley. All of these seasonings are optional, of course. Michael, take mine too. You just grab this.
So you can eat this after?
So make sure that you season your meat really well. It'll taste really good in the end.
This can open sucks.
Like get another one. Okay, so our meat is getting close to being done. Make sure you want to cook everything all the way through so nothing is pink anymore. We're now going to take our canned tomato sauce because our meat is done. And we are going to pour our tomato sauce into the meat. I might need a spoon. Unfortunately, all I have is this. So,
That looks spectacular.
There you go.
Now, Boy Scouts, I don't know how you feel.
Scouts, yes,
Scouts, excuse me. Scouts, I don't know how you feel about whatever it is I'm making right now.
I think it looks better than anything I've ever had on a Boy Scout trip.
well, except for the chili that we made one time.
The chili we made one time was good.
That took a lot
of my, I don't know if we need a second can of tomato.
I don't think we need the second can of tomato.
Put a bit too much meat, I think.
It's fine. This is my mom's like yeah, I got this recipe from my mom because she taught me how to cook. I'm going to just
That is useful.
stir our, thank you Michael for that off-camera input. I'm just going to stir our meat around. Now, I don't really have the option to turn the heat down unless I turn it off. So normally you'd want this to just kind of simmer. It's currently almost boiling, so I'm just going to keep doing it.
I think your water's boiling.
Michael?
Water is boiling.
Michael, I have a job for you.
Throw the pasta in.
Oh, for all those who are gonna watch our, for all those who are gonna watch our our life outdoor skills thing, pick it up.
Oh
We're
yeah,
gonna
yeah.
watch our outdoor skills thing. This is a rolling boil.
Please remember, not a simmer, not some random bubbles that just happen to appear. A rolling boil.
For purifying water.
And
Okay, I got this. I got this.
Stir quickly or it will bubble. So I'm going to take our spaghetti and I'm going to add it into our rolling boil, into our boiling water.
Biggest thing you need to know is just follow the instructions, and it'll turn out meh. Make sure you season your water too.
Make sure you put salt in your water. Very important.
That's why it tastes so bad.
I'm going to
Oh,
very
yeah.
carefully,
Yeah.
I'm going to very carefully take this off and just kind of shimmy our pasta.
That was a little bit of an aggressive shimmy.
Okay. I'm going to take this pot and put it down somewhere. Okay. Lovely.
This actually smells pretty good.
Yeah.
We should admit. Oh, actually, no. We should not admit smell of it, because then.
It smells good. I'm going to take. I needed a spoon.
Oh, I have the only. Well, there's another spoon in there, but it has holes in it.
see, Lindsay is usually a good cook. The problem for her is that this is extremely limited.
See, this is why I'm
This
doing
is a very, very limited outdoor space. I'm used to cooking with a normal stove.
That's accurate. A limited outdoor space. That is how I would describe it.
Okay.
I'm gonna kill the heat.
On that.
Yeah. Don't.
Okay, I see. Random.
Yeah, one.
Random.
We need the other.
So, there will be, most generally, kind of
Oh no, it's boiling.
bubble.
Okay, it's off. I'm just gonna let it cook and then I'll turn the heat back.
So, there will, if you don't know how long to cook your pasta for, there will generally be instructions on the box. You can follow these, but also just test your pasta at some point. I'm gonna leave mine in here, uncovered for 10 minutes, and then I may.
We didn't start a timer.
We did not start a timer. I'm gonna grab my phone and start a timer. I'm gonna add some more of our minced garlic. Remember, you can season this to your taste. I don't know what your taste is, so whatever it is, however it is you want to cook. I prefer to add a lot of spices to mine, make it really flavorful.
Maybe add
I'm
some
now
more.
going to add onion.
You can also use fresh versions of all of these if you're not cooking in the woods.
We're just kind of using stuff that you might have on a camp out. Michael is now going to be our official taste tester of the meat sauce.
If I burn my mouth, it's for a good cause.
Be careful. Considering we couldn't stick our hand over the pot, I think we might have to be careful. There is great fear in him.
Oh!
Does it taste good?
It's got that fire.
Better than slop, but it's way too hot.
So it's got a cool.
It's a little sweet.
Okay, well we use sweet plain sausage, so that's why I would imagine.
Maybe we should add a little tomatoes sweet too.
Is it good?
Should we add a little bit more salt? I think we should add a little bit more salt.
For pepper?
Okay, I'm going to regulate how much salt we put in because you're because I do not trust, as much as I love him, I do not trust my cousin with cooking ever.
You can't trust someone with
Do
a
not
spoon
put
to
more
stick.
pepper in. Put in nothing. Do not. Do not.
See, it was working the whole time.
Pot. Back to the.
Okay, well that was the most stressful experience of my entire life, but other than that,
It's still hot. Be careful.
Okay. Can you?
Because you have to show leadership.
Not with my head.
generally
threw
Lindsay,
garlic in my eyes.
compared
It's
to
great.
Michael, Lindsay could probably be her own assistant, but whatever.
No one can hold a plate just as well as I can. Okay, John?
Michael, you're
See, look at that. Look at that.
concerning.
Woo!
Stop.
Woo!
It's enough awesome. It's fine.
What else are we gonna do with it, John?
Yes, point. Okay, stop, Michael.
I can't do anything. I serve meals at home.
But we're out in the wilderness here in our garage.
Yes, the wilderness!
I just bumped the pot and it was burned off.
Oh my god, see? And you say that I can't do this.
Okay.
Look at that! That's not good, but not bad either.
Hey.
Look at
And
that!
there you have it. Now,
Smells good.
well, hang on.
Now the real test.
Shh, because we gotta wait for this guy. Okay, so
I gotta put this down.
now
It's
time.
burning my hand.
Now we're gonna plate all this and then let it cool, and we're gonna put our camera in the refrigerator and let it cool off because it's very hot. So we'll plate all this and then we'll give you a
Okay, there you
taste
go.
update. Michael, does it slop replacement? It's slop replacements.